ಶ್ರೀಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಗ್ರೇ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಕಮಪಿ ಚರಣಂ ಜಾನುನೈಕೇನ ತಿಷ್ಠನ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ ಪಾರ್ಥಂ ಪ್ರಣಯರಸಜುಷಾ ಚಕ್ಷುಷಾ ವೇಕ್ಷ್ಯಮಾಣಃ ಸವ್ಯೇ ತೋತ್ರಂ ಕರಸರಸಿಜೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಂ ಆಬಿಭ್ರಾಣೋ ರಥಮಧಿವಸನ್ ಪಾತು ನಃ ಸೂತವೇಷಃ. ಓಂ ಪ್ರಪನ್ನಪಾರಿಜಾತಾಯ ತೋತ್ರವೇತ್ರೈಕಪಾಣಯೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಗೀತಾಮೃತದುಹೇ ನಮಃ. ಯಂ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಮಿತಿ ಪ್ರಾಹುಃ ಯೋಗಂ ತಂ ವಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಾಂಡವ ನ ಹ್ಯಸನ್ಯಸ್ತಸಂಕಲ್ಪಃ ಯೋಗೀ ಭವತಿ ಕಶ್ಚನ. In this verse, Bhagavan Shri Krishna is continuing to teach in detail Bahiranga Sadhana required for Dhyana Yoga or meditation. Hey Arjuna, O Arjuna, Yam Sanyasamiti Prahuhu, what wise men call as Sannyasa, Tam Yogam Vidhi. Know that also as Yoga. Bhagavan is praising Karma Yoga in a different manner and gives a reason for that in the second line. Nahya sanyasta sankalpaha yogi bhavati kaschana. This can be rearranged as asanyasta sankalpaha kaschana nahi yogi bhavati. One who does not renounce his sankalpa cannot be a yogi. What is sankalpa? The thought of performing an activity expecting to accomplish a targeted result with an expected fruit of action. Here, the Karma Yogi with an attitude of responsibility carries out all deeds as Bhagavan's order without expectation of the fruits of action, either in this world or the world after. He leaves it to God to take care of the result. All he seeks is Atma Sukham or Brahma Sukham. He does not ask for any worldly results. He is clear that this attitude will cleanse his mind. We saw this already in the second chapter of the Gita. Siddhya siddhyos samo bhutva samatvam yoga uchyate. Thus, one who renounces his sankalpa can only become a yogi. Sannyasa is renunciation. Yoga is doing dhyanam, meditation. By doing dhyanam, one gets concentration. By renouncing, one becomes free from distractions. He becomes free from worldly and religious duties, laukika Vaidika karmas. A sannyasi's main duty is to study Vedanta. As we saw in the previous shloka, his mind is peaceful, composed, concentrated, and therefore receptive to Guru's teachings. Shamaha means balanced mind, mastery over thoughts. This is an ideal quality that one gets by sannyasa. This he gets by renouncing sankalpa. Being a yogi, he also gets another important quality, samadhanam, which is focused mind. The essence of this verse is that by renouncing sankalpa, one gets a balanced mind and concentration. Yam sanyasamiti prahuhu yogam tam vidhi pandava nahya sanyasta sankalpaha yogi bhavati kaschana. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om.